The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Anything that may appear is the self-luminescence of awareness, and will cut through the darkness of shadows. What is there to do about searching for causes and conditions when we have the magnificent method of primordial Buddhahood? The definition of the heart essence of wisdom is that it illuminates pervasively and has no true nature. It shines in the mirror of the luminous apparent world, but is not defined as awareness. Once we understand that there is no engagement, no view, and nothing to search for, we remain in our own uncontrived dance without thoughts and without the feelings that come from visualizations. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra, equal to the end of the sky, this is the 11th chapter, Seeing the Self-Luminescence of Wisdom. Teaching the specifics on practice. Then this same Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words. Holder of the secrets of the bodies, speech, and minds of all the Buddhas of the 3 times, treasure of the awareness of uncomplicated equality, non-dual self-luminescence, Blessed One, Lord, this is what I ask you. It is certainly true that there are no dualistic conceptions in the perfect transmission of effortless yoga, but please speak on the specifics for its practice. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words. O Mahasattva, dualistic conceptions do not apply to non-dual self-originating wisdom, but in order to exemplify a door of methods, they are used. So I will explain the practice. Those who follow the trails of the dominion of the sky, whose reality is an unstopping maintenance of methods, broadcast the blessings of their compassionate works. Their virtues equal the end of the sky. Everything is uncontrived self-luminosity for them. They do not bear the filth there is in clinging to ideas. This has no origin and is not to be engaged in. It is not an object. There are no holders who hold or conceptualize secrets in the practice of the Vajra of the sky. We discontinue our ideation. We do not contemplate anything. In the contemplation of this unsought calming of ourselves, we are primordially removed from the filth of holding on. Within this wisdom of luminescent purity, there is nothing at all. It is pervasively luminous.